Oh yeah, EJ pushed to the zone. Might be selling it.
It just flew like as soon as the New York session opened, it flew.
This could be a nice sell here.
I'm aiming for 126-200 as my TP.
Push to our zone. See something. See if it pushes more. But yeah, this could be a nice sell here.
I mean, I was already in a buy at
If
124.
it pushes a little bit more.
800.
Well, we had the news though, so ECB. The capped rate at 0. Are you in EJ, Mayank?
Yes, I bought at 124-800. And aiming for 126-200.
Actually, cannot hear you.
Can you hear me?
Hold on, is it on mine? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah. Yes, I can hear you.
Damn, I can't hear him. The hell? The hell? Nice. Oh, you bought a breakout of this lower low here.
Exactly. I bought.
Nice, but look at this now. You might be having to secure some profits because it can get rejected here. So I would trail that stop loss. But yeah, that's definitely a nice entry. You bought the breakout here.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. My stop loss is at 600.
Hey, who put this yellow dot here? Come on now. Be messing with me. It's Thursday morning. Yo, Dave, bro, can you unmute yourself? See if I can hear you, or is just him?
Yo, what's going on?
Damn, I can't hear you either. What the hell?
Probably you can just restart it.
Oh, okay. I think it's something with my headphones though. Like I can speak through my mic, but I can't hear. So I'll just use my my laptop's microphone and audio. So now I can hear you guys.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay. Probably you can just mute this guy, Seth, because he's talking on the phone probably.
Oh, I haven't heard him yet though.
Okay. Okay, let it then. Yeah, I mean, I'm aiming for 200, 126-200.
Yeah,
and right now,
that's a third. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, my stop loss right now is at 125-600.
Nice. Yeah, just under this candle. Beautiful, man. Really beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah, because 126-225 is the third fib extension, so we can see some spike through this zone. So very optimistic that that can be achieved. But then we might pull back through here, right? Because I don't know if there's gonna be enough volume to push all the way to the daily zone.
Okay, so as soon as it touches 126, I'm gonna put my stop loss at 125-900. So I'm like,
yeah,
that's how I'm gonna take it.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
Thank you, bro. I mean, I entered. I thought it was a right entry because I wanted to enter around like 800, and I saw the bullish momentum in this bullish candle, like um, from 700 to 800, 900 actually.
This
And
one,
then,
yeah.
yeah,
Let's remove this. So you saw this breakout here, right?
exactly.
Nice.
I put my resistance over there and I bought it.
Nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm so frustrated. Like, man, my alarm didn't go off. I wanted to do London live, and I was like,
Oh,
damn, like my phone is just like really gave up on me like that. So but here we're doing New York, so it should be some nice movement.
all
'Cause
good.
yeah, if anything USD for sure, because it hasn't really moved much during the London, so New York is gotta move, and it's Thursday too. So, um, like
I mean, also in the Asian session, it was quite slow.
yeah, yeah. But I see GBP's moved a little bit. They should continue falling. And this gold should actually keep rising.
Okay, and I also bought AUD USD
Okay.
with the TP of 7,300.
Yeah,
Like,
nice. That's a resistance. Very nice.
I hope it just reaches there. Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, it looks like that at least pre-New York dollar is weak. So everything against USD should go up, including all indices. Um, Angel, are you in NAS still? Come on, Angel, talk to me. Look at this. It did exactly what we said it's gonna do. This was from yesterday. Gave us pullback to 11,300, and now we are up to 11,730.
No, I got out of that. Yeah, I wasn't sure because I wasn't sure what was happening.
But I
Honestly.
gave you the chart.
I know, but I thought it was actually going below that number too. Yeah, it's just like crazy. I just got out of it, so
Yeah, this baby is gonna go up. It's just gonna
yeah,
go up.
I was really like confused. I was like, oh my god, it's gonna go like below 1,300, and so yeah, I wasn't sure what to do, and then I just got out of it around like when it was in a pullback
Mm-hmm.
around 411,440. And yeah, so is there a re-entry somewhere you think?
That's gonna be rough now, to be honest with you. See, it gave us a pullback here. Let's see for re-entry. Let's move that. So that played out actually really nice. Let's see.
GJ closed as well at B.
Yeah, they pulling hard. We're gonna look for some re-entries. I saw that just gave me notification. I mean, honestly, Angel, for this, it has to break 11,580 for NAS. Then you can buy, just because we might get a new pullback from here, from this zone.
So once it reaches 11,115%.
Yeah, then see how it reacts. But if it pushes above 11,580, then yeah.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure this is going to 11,730 today.
All right. Damn, yeah, I wish I stayed. I just gotta learn how to trust this. That's what it is.
That's okay. I mean, that comes with time. There's
Yeah.
nothing. I mean, nothing wrong. If you are unsure about trade, close it out. Like, we will have new trades. Like, that's. I mean, there's always gonna be new setups. But if you don't feel good, like I was just telling, I think it was Nicholas yesterday. He was in a think it was gold, he said. And he says, oh, I'm not gonna sleep. Well, that's not good. Like if you, there's two things that will prevent you from sleeping if you have position open. Number one, if you over leveraged. Number two, if you don't trust your analysis. And you don't wanna ever be at that point, but most of us, when we start, we go through that stage. You just have to find a way to grow out of it, right? Because you have to trust your analysis. Otherwise, you will never see consistency, because you will cut your winners, not give them enough room to develop, and so on. Yeah, GJ pulled to entry, Dave.
Yeah, I saw that.
Let's measure this. This could be just the retrace here. Yeah, touched 50. I mean, I still see it going down because we have this at least 136, 400. It's a liquidity zone that I'm pretty sure it's gonna go down to grab more volume. If it was even to reverse, I don't see it just pushing straight up from here, to be honest.
Yeah, I might re-enter it and just leave it for now because I just got to the office, so I'm probably not going to be able to monitor the charts.
Okay. Well, I'll put the update if we re-enter this, but I would just wait a little bit, especially New York is opening in like what 7
About
minutes.
Yeah,
Because just because this volume is a little bit strong, so let's just see what that is. Is it just the retrace, and then we get confirmation? Then yeah, by all means we're gonna enter it again. But yeah, it closed the break even. So let's just see. But there was nothing really GBP that, like, they were all yellow folders, so nothing really big. Well, they haven't even you know, got this report out yet. It's in hour and 7 minutes, so nothing major. CAD could move a little strong at the end of the New York because we have their governor speak. But Euro kept same rate, so I knew they were not going to cut it because there was just no way for them to do that. Yeah, Mayon, we were just discussing, we'll go over them. We do see all indices rising. I know you are still in them, right?
Oh no, actually, I was able to get out of the indices yesterday before it dropped.
Oh, okay, so you secured some profit.
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah, but they should keep rising, honestly, during the New York.
All right, that's good.
I see them rising, all of them. Oh yeah, look at that, nice. S&P. Yeah, look at this beautiful candle. Yeah, this is going up for sure. Just because I just read some reports, and yeah, the stocks are fighting back, especially tech, and it's just showing the weakness of USD. Yeah, nice, Mayank. The EJ hit the third extension. Hell yeah, I did.
wow, that was great.
Yeah. Fibs don't lie. Well, almost. I guess
It
your spread
it was-
helped you now.
Yeah, it was just really crazy entry. I
Good.
was lucky to find it though.
You what?
I was lucky to find this entry, you know.
Yeah, I mean, you were awake during that time and you saw that breakout, so very nice. And
I
then
actually entered this trade at, let me see. Oh, yesterday, the same time yesterday.
okay, yeah. So this is a bullish price action pattern, right? When you
Yeah.
have impulsive wave, then you have consolidation phase, and then usually moves about the same amount as this wave was. So this was 89 pips, and what do we have here once it broke? So it could still push slightly higher, but now it's fighting this zone, right? See the zone that we have. So that's key factor. If it breaks above, then yeah, it's gonna be continuing buy.
But which zone is it?
At 126, 100.
Okay, 126, 100. That's resistance.
Yeah, and that's our liquidity zone too. See here to the left. See how many wicks in that zone.
Okay, yeah. Oh, you are at 30 minutes. Let me just come.
Well, it's same on 1 hour. I just go on 30 minutes because we are about to enter session, so I want to see volume where it's going. But you see, 1 hour. Let's see, on 4 hour. Yeah, same on 4 hour. See.
So do you think that this zone takes the order for either buy or sell, right?
Yeah, this is now where we are
And-
going to see.
And right now, since we see that the volume is pretty high on bullish momentum, so do you think this zone would accumulate the orders for buy stop probably?
That depends. We cannot say that for sure, just because we need to see what the banks want to make next move here, because this can be just the retrace of this entire move. You see, it's at 61.8 now, and then it can continue falling down. My bias is was to see this come down to this daily zone, and you see it almost matches with the third fib extension.
Okay.
But right now it's not the time to enter, because it was a strong volume that pushed it up. So we just have to see if we get some rejection here on the next 30-minute candle, but it's already weakening. So if this body probably will close somewhere in the zone, not above, and we will have wick. And that tells you two things, some people are already taking profits, including yourself, like you said.
Yes.
And also we might be getting some sellers in this. So that's why you see that volume getting
dropping
down a little bit, yeah.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah. But definitely not nice trade.
Thank you. On the 4 hour, it could be a retrace from this Fibonacci retracement. That's what you said, right?
Yeah, it certainly can.
Okay.
Certainly can reject this, and let's see here. Yeah, it can retrace like 45 pips.
Okay.
But it can be also a reversal back to the downside.
Could be. All right, so I'm not going to enter this trade anymore for today. I'm just going to observe how it tends to behave.
Well, you got 140 pips here.
Yes.
See, that's a nice trade.
Thank you.
So if you don't get confirmation, we have 30 more pairs to look at. So no reason to get stuck on that one.
Yeah, definitely.
Honestly, guys, I still personally see GBP pairs dropping more. Even GU. I know we said the dollar weak for New York is what we anticipate, but like look at this rejection at 61.8. So that's why I'm still biased to look this fall down. There we go. New York just opened. Yeah, they have to push a lot of volume through this session through USD, because it hasn't really moved that enough. GJ, you bastard. You bastard.
Yeah, I saw that too.
You bastard. You gotta love it. You got to love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has incomplete structure to the downside though. And look at those wicks, man. This gotta get covered on a daily. Like, let's move all this.
Anas, can you have a look on GBP AUD?
Yes, absolutely. You see this this Dave here?
Mhm.
Look at the structure here. So let's move that there. And look at the daily candles. They are below this daily support here.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
And that's why this can drop easy 110 to more pips. Like easy. Possibly 230 pips from where it's now. Like
Yeah,
it tried to give a pullback, but like see how daily is below the previous ones.
right.
So that's why I'm definitely not seeing this any buys yet, unless we can break above in 138, 100. This is still and it broke this daily uptrend here. If you look at that.
Yeah, I saw that when you originally called it. I was looking at the charts.
Even if you look at it from here, and we go this way, like let's say it rejected it first time, but like I still see it dropping. Actually, we should, if we do it, we should do it all the way from here, which in that case, it's breaking through. See, and essentially this is ascending channel that also looks like a bearish flag, right? Bearish flag price action formation when we have impulsive wave, then we have corrections of that huge impulsive wave that usually results in a break back to this equal low right here. So for real, GBP can be a long-term sell down to 124. Because I just seen this over and over again, and it could be a very long-term sell. And in that case, this would be 1,300 pips, 1,350. Especially if today's daily closes below that zone and below this trend line, which is very, very probable. But let's watch that volume.
Anas, can we sell now this GJ or we should wait this at this for this level at 100?
We'll wait. I want to see it at this point. I want to see it break 137 200. It's only 30 pips away, but we will get confirmation, and we can probably ride this for a while.
Okay. If what do you think that how much far should we should keep our SL?
If it breaks this, then let's see. Let's say we enter right here. Probably 45 pips.
And if we enter from at now, then
I wouldn't enter now, just because we don't have confirmation that this retrace is over.
okay.
So there's no need to be in a drawdown. Avoid.
Okay.
Who said? Mayank, you said you are in AU buy, right?
Yes. Sorry, my microphone was on mute. Yep, I am in buy until 73.
Okay.
I mean, precisely my TP is at 73,111.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you will reach that full TP.
I'm hoping for that. I'm just trailing my stop loss now. Even if it doesn't, I'm still good. I mean, right now I put my stop loss at 820, 72, 820.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
I mean, if I'm trailing stop loss, right, and I put an entry on, let's say, 1 hour time frame, right,
Mhm.
and I'm already in profit, how should I? On what time frame should I trail my stop loss?
You can trail it on 30 minutes. Like right
Ah,
now, you see, let's say, where is it? Right here. You see it already broke above this structure right here, which was somewhat, let's say, traffic for this, because we had wicks, we had consolidation right around that zone. So you can really put it at 72,850 or maybe 72,870. But I'm pretty sure this will hit your full TP,
okay.
and it's already headed there. Like,
Because I was trailing it on 15 minutes, so every time I was putting it below the 15 minutes, like 0.5 pips away from the last wick of the 15-minute candle.
okay. I mean, if you are present at the computer and you are looking at the chart, then you can. It's just that like 15 can, like do the random pullback and throw the
Yeah.
spike and stuff like that. So I don't do it on 15 personally.
Okay. I mean, that's what happened with my AJ position. I got stopped out.
Hmm.
I entered it. Just a second. I entered it at 77.
You said
And
AJ?
yeah, AJ, I entered at 77. My TP was 601. But I got stopped out at like 77, 100.
Yeah, that sucks. Yeah, because it is headed there. See the zone right here.
Yeah, and that when it happened, I was already asleep. That was like 4 in the morning here, so I could not even do anything.
Oh, okay, got you. Well, all good though. But yeah, it's gonna definitely tap in this zone.
Yeah, and also it went into consolidation, so I was not really sure what to do, so I let it out. I
Got
mean,
you.
I got 10 pips. That's fine.
Yeah, well, I mean, you will especially the time frames you're training on, you will learn like stuff like this when you see breakout. So you take that.
Yes.
Also, this was just price pattern that results usually in breakout to the upside. So this is an example of a bullish flag, right? So if you look at this impulsive wave as a handle, this is our flag, and then it usually breaks up to the upside, as you see right now.
Okay, and that this zone, what you marked is again the liquidity zone, right?
Yes, right here at between 77,530 and 77,610.
So it's probably to accumulate all the orders.
Yeah.
I mean, from here, what would you think that, like, I don't think so there would be more buy stops or buying orders because it's really close to the supply zone.
And that's the thing. Yeah, that's why usually you wanna take your profits when it comes to that zone, just because like you might think, oh, it's gonna break through, it's gonna go to this weekly. Well, you don't know that. You have
It
to
could
see the
just reverse from there.
exactly. You can see the rejection there too. So why risk for, especially people, what they will do, they will just leave it as it is. They wouldn't trail stop loss, and they will aim for 17 more pips, risking for this to reject and come back down. And then you let your winning trade turn into losing trade. So that's bad account management.
Okay, just one more question. I mean,
Mhm.
I know these supply and demand zones are really important for the price, but I really want to understand what makes these zones to be formed? I mean, how does the price get reflected from this particular zone or this
Because
line per se?
because that's where the major order blocks are, right? So they are very similar as to what resistance and support is, right?
Yes.
Except you know, some people will argue with me, and a lot of them did. Like they will say, okay, let's look at this. They will say that
Okay.
this level 77,530 is resistance, right? Okay, well we see that that is resistance, right? We had a retest here. When it broke below, it retested, right? But to get more precise entry and to get more precise outlook, that's why you consider this as a supply zone, because you see how those wicks rejected. It didn't exactly reject it at 77,530. Like this here rejected at 77,640, and this
Yeah.
rejected at 77,606. So it wasn't exactly 530, right?
Okay.
So
I
that's
mean, it's a
the
zone.
difference. Yes, it's a zone,
Okay, makes sense.
because this is a slower moving pair, right? On some
Yes.
other pairs, this zone can be like 50 pips. So if you are relying just on your resistance solely, and you are selling there, and you are only giving it 30 pips stop loss, and the zone is 50 pips, you most likely gonna get stopped out.
I mean, when I place my stop loss, I place it like 30 pips extra above it, just to clear out the chances of hitting the stop loss. I
Yeah,
mean, I know I'm risking 30 pips extra, but I'm pretty sure that it would not go
then,
there.
then that's exactly how I do it. Especially if I see a rejection, then I know,
Yes.
like, you know, the buyers are taking profits, and we might see, you know, bank push this down. And also remember, just the way like supply and demand works, like it has rally from the base, like it has impulsive wave, and it tends to go back to that base to grab
Yeah.
more liquidity and more buy limit orders to push it back up.
Okay. All
It's
right.
it's really not often that you see just break through, like just does something like this. It goes like that, unless it's something major economical happening in that country. Then, you know, fundamentals will additionally just push it through.
Okay. All right.
Okay,
Um,
SPX. Yeah, go ahead.
no,
Hello.
I was just curious because yesterday I saw this post from Forex Live, this Telegram group, and I mean, on on Tuesday, all of the stocks were red. All of the stocks were red, and yesterday it was blue or green. Sorry, all of the stocks closed green. The New York session at the end of New York session. That should mean that the USD was strong, right?
When the stocks fall, usually dollar is strong, but
Ah,
when the stocks going up, then that means there's a little weakness in dollar. But that
okay.
doesn't always happens.
Correlate.
It's not always the perfect correlation.
Okay. All right. No questions. You can continue. Sorry.
Okay.
Hello, Enes. Can you
Hey,
hear me?
yeah, how's it going?
Good, good. I've been listening to the stream for a few days, and pretty nice work you're doing here. Um, yeah, I have a question regarding Australian dollar, Japanese yen.
Hmm.
Um, Regarding the correlation between the Australian dollar and the indices, like, is it fair to say that with the indices moving higher today, so we have a better chance of Australian or pulling toward through the resistance through
We do. We do. So I don't know where you read that, but our friend here, TJ Gill, brought really good points. So US 30 and AUD JPY, they tend to move the same way. Oh, I got you, that boy. I just want to answer real quick. Sorry, TJ Gill. So before we break down S&P 500, we expect all indices to go up for the New York session, that boy. And we'll go back to them because we already went over them. I just want to answer a question real quick, but I got you. I saw your question. So yeah, I don't know where you read that, TJ, but yeah, AJ and US 30, they actually tend to go the same way. There's
Yeah,
a
I didn't read
correlation
any.
between them.
I didn't read anywhere. I see them every time. I'm like, it moves like same way. So maybe if they move, it's gonna move all together, you know. So it's gonna maybe pull out from this supply zone, or maybe, you know,
Yeah,
without any
certainly.
resistance.
Yeah, certainly it can go to the weekly supply zone
Okay.
instead of this one right here. It can definitely reach this today.
Yeah, we should
And you
keep
see
this
it's
in
strong volume.
consideration. Yeah, if it's if they're moving together for a while, and maybe it's gonna move today. I'm in this pair, but I'm just learning as well. And yeah,
Yeah,
but
I'm glad
thank you
you
to
are.
you. Yeah, thank you to you. You know, it's pretty good to um, have somebody who has experience in your back and learning from him. It's a good thing. Thank you.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. You're very welcome. Any questions you have, I'm here to help as much as possible. I'm happy when you guys want to learn. You know, that's the whole purpose we're doing this.
Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you. You carry on now. I'm here listening.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Ernest.
Okay, gold hit TP1. Okay, so we do have GBP AUD and then we have S&P 500. So let's respect and go in order. So here we go. Sing, I see GA falling more down to, where is it now? So 80 more pips. I see GA falling. And then actually it's breaking this low. So if you are in this trade, then perfect. If you are not and you want to enter right now, then you can probably do 45 pip stop loss.
I am thinking to buy this trade.
You thinking to buy it?
Yeah.
No, brother. Don't buy this. This is going lower. You see this volume pushing? Because AUD is strong right now, right? So
Okay.
that means GA down and also GBP has been weak. So even fundamentally, this should keep falling further down. Let's see if this zone is valid here. I don't know why I have that. Daily. Yeah, this is not ready for a buy. Look at this on the daily. Look at
Okay.
this. It's falling for 5 days straight.
Yeah.
So I would not be buying this just yet.
Okay.
Let's see. Yeah, this is going down furthermore. Oh yeah, absolutely. So this will fall another 60 pips from where it's at now, most likely. Yeah, don't fight the volume. You cannot win against market.
Okay. So we can sell here with 40 pip SL, or should leave this trade. Like,
Well, right now, I mean, it's trying to break. If you want to buy it for, well, it's one-to-one risk reward. So if that's what you want to go for, that's your decision. I'm not personally. I'm not. I always look at least 1 to 2 risk reward.
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's honestly something I'm not looking for. Let me just see here.
After this SPX, can you look at CHF JPY?
Yes, but we do have requests first for
Yeah.
for
Sure.
SAPX. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. So that's good. SPX. Here we go. Hey, that boy, you have mic or you wanna just talk through chat?
I'm on the mic.
Hey, how's it going, brother? Good morning.
I'm doing good. How you doing?
Good, good. Yeah, so when the session first started, we said we are looking for all indices to keep rising today, just
hmm
because there's a weakness of dollar and the tech stocks are fighting back and they're recovering as well. So this should really go at least to this zone here at 3,443.
So if I was to get in, what I put the stop?
If you were to get in now, let's see. So from here, we would be, how many points? So 26 points. So if I was to get in now, probably put stop loss at 3,400. That's what I would do.
And the TP is what now?
3,445 TP1. Potential TP2, 3,470.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. For the gold, Mayank, we are actually we got into this in a premium at the buy stop at 95250, but the buy limit. Let's see if there was a second entry. It will probably be between same entry 5250 and 5450.
And that's gonna be the retrace.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes, if it gives the retrace, but this should really keep going up. Yeah, this should definitely keep going further up. Let's see, 4 hour. Yeah, definitely. We should definitely.
It's creating always lower highs.
I mean, gold is a really good technical. Let's remove all this now. It's a really good technical pair, right? It does, for the most part, shows us a nice structure. Especially here, it created this this bullish pattern. Okay. Yeah, 1970 should definitely be reached today on gold, no doubt.
All right.
So if it gives a pullback, then yeah, I do agree with the entry, but I wouldn't enter just now.
No. At 58, I have set a limit. I mean, I should probably drop it a little bit.
Yeah, if it gives pullback, mean retrace, then yeah, I would say so.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure it will reach. It already reached second fib extension. I'm pretty sure it will reach full 3.
Okay, I mean, if it activates, it's gonna be good. I mean, I'm not gonna just chase it.
Yeah, don't chase it. Yeah, no need to chase it. We have question, does gold move similar to indices? Well, it does, but also not always, right? Because remember, the indices also, if there's like a lot of negative news by the stock market, that can influence them as well. Versus gold purely relies on, like just USD and its economical data to drive it. So for the most part, yeah, they should move same direction, but it's not like identical structure, if that makes sense. What's GJ doing? This needs to go further down. This tricked me. Yeah, we are going to put the sell stop here.
Hey, Anis,
Yes.
I saw something in gold, especially on this daily pattern. I mean, when you're finished with it, then probably you can just see what I want to say.
Absolutely. Give me 1 second because we are going to enter this.
All good.
Okay. Yep. We are doing this. And just put this in a Telegram, and then we'll look at the gold. $3,740. Okay. You said gold, right? On a daily.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, let's just remove all this.
I mean, you don't need to remove anything. I was just wanted to say that as we discussed before, you mentioned the bullish flag pattern, right?
Yeah.
I mean, that's what I'm seeing it here, isn't it?
So this is actually more like a triangle, right? It's for this to be a bullish flag, we needed this structure right here to be slightly lower, right?
Okay.
And this is why this is a triangle, because of this. And now it's breaking up. So it's also a bullish triangle. But you see what I'm trying to say? Versus the flag should look something like this. So it should be as parallel as possible, right? So we would need to see structure lower to this weekly zone. Do you see the difference?
Yes, definitely. I mean, how does the price decides either it has to make a flag or a triangle? I mean, how is it working? I really want to understand this.
Well, this is the thing with that. You can't be for sure what is a pattern going to be like. You just have to see and wait what the market makers are presenting to us.
So it's basically that what they want to draw on the chart they are drawing basically.
Well, not well. You can maybe say it that way, but like it's more like, you know, based of the trading ranges and the volumes in the certain pair. That's what we watch for, and we see what it ends up being like, right? And we use that as a confluence in our trading.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, but you see how it was. This was right here, accumulation and consolidation zone, and now it's up. So it's gonna, I'm pretty sure, go up.
I mean, it has been testing this zone for pretty long time.
Yeah,
Pretty long time, almost like a month.
Yeah, 1918 was tested like huge. So this is how you see a perfect example of the demand zone. You see this? So some people will say, oh, 1919 is a support, right? But
Yeah.
look how big this zone is. So it's not fair to say this is exactly where support is when this is 154 pips zone. So if you were going off of this support and you gave yourself even 50 pips stop loss, you will be taken out.
Okay.
And that's when you go on a smaller time frame and you look for as precise entry as possible.
All right, sir. Makes sense.
Mhm.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Angel said GJ is active. GJ better stop playing with us because I'm done playing with it. Should go look at that rejection. Like, come on now. Like, I need to stop faking this and it's gonna go.
Look in the crate. Crate.
Yeah, retrace off of 50. We're looking for the third extension right there. So yeah.
Ines, can we have a look at the CHF JPY?
Absolutely. Right here. Ooh, that is wilding. All right, let's see. You asked about this yesterday. Did you buy it?
I didn't.
Well, now might be a little bit late to buy this because it's only 30 pips from the resistance.
I'm thinking to sell it at 270, but I think I am doing wrong as this strength is its strength is too,
270 might be early sell entry, especially on the volume like this. We probably have to see what it does when it reaches this zone right here. So that would be a little bit early of an entry. Remember to always validate on a higher time frame.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, it's a nice volume. Look at that. Again, bullish continuation pattern broke up and yeah, even from here, yeah, it didn't even retest. Let's see something.
Also, EJ is still flying.
Yeah, that's the nice momentum it has.
Yeah.
There's EJ. Well, actually, it just hit third. Hold on, we measured it from here. Look at that perfectly. Third extension. Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, there is some traffic over there.
So is it because the news that some news has happened because
Yeah.
all of the
Yeah, so
JPY pairs are going up?
yeah, so Euro pairs are going up because there was a ECB rate decision. They kept it the same. So you remember what we said, whenever there is a forecasted and the actual, meaning what they report,
Yeah.
it's the same or better than what the forecasted was, it's a good for currency.
Sign. Okay.
Yes. And plus, I didn't get to, usually I hop on ECB conference because you can watch it live on their website.
Yeah.
But we have sessions, so I pick to do session before, you know, rather than doing that and make you guys wait more.
All good.
So it could be, depending what the ECB president said, maybe some positives about the Eurozone and economical, you know, advancements and stuff like that. So that additionally plays the role.
Cool.
Oh, yeah. That boy, I mean, London and New York. If I have to pick, I would say London. That's what I would say. But yeah, indices should be fine. This small pullback, but it should go up. Same with US 30, definitely 28,200. We just checked earlier, S&P 500. We're looking for it to reach the next two zones at 3,445 and then 3,470. Euro NZD, we have to check that one. Oh, that is also on a rally. All euro is on a rise now. So for Euro NZD, if this 4-hour closes above, what level is this? 1.77450, this will go up another 70 pips for Euro NZD.
We can target this as putting this SL at 30 pips.
Which one?
EN.
Let me check again. But yeah, this should go higher. Should go definitely higher. But if, let's say, if you were to enter right now, which I wouldn't, your stop loss would have to be actually 40 pips. But if it pulls back to this level, then your stop loss can only be 25 pips. So it really depends what risk reward you are willing to take. Me personally, I would rather wait for it to pull some down and then enter it from there.
Okay.
That's what I would do. You're welcome for Ian. You're welcome.
Can I have a screenshot of this, like at which level?
Which
Where
one,
it's
Ian?
EN.
Yes, absolutely. Any screenshots you guys want, let me know. Wait, hold on, where is it? Oh, here we go. There we go.
455.
Yes, that boy. Yep. All indices, we are looking for them to go up. But see, it's already pulling back, so just have to be a little bit patient. EN, probably get entry here. I might actually call this because I like it.
DJ boomed up in the way we wanna.
Was that 7?
No, so.
Stop loss. Okay, well, that's that.
Hey, Enes.
Yes.
So I had hopped into GU earlier for a sell, around 29,440, and it had pulled back. It started pulling back into like that line above, that green line, and then so I got out because I didn't realize that it was just a back, and yeah, so I'm pretty upset that I got out.
Yeah,
And
it was.
it looks like it's still selling, right?
Yeah, I still see it come down. The only reason so I'll be very honest, like always. The only reason I'm still in a sell from 1.31300, right? So I'm currently up 170 pips on this. No, 180 almost. So I want to see it go all the way down to 1.27730. The only fundamental conflict that we have here is because GBP is weak and USD is weak at the moment, right? So it might be going sideways versus some other GBP pairs that I think will still fall. So overall, I think it's still going to sell.
Yeah. All right. Also, could you just look at NAS again, please?
You said NAS?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So you said it should break above the 11580 line
No, actually even
for me
broke
to enter?
this structure. So I would do probably buy limit at 11,470.
One 11470.
Yes. Actually make that 11. Hold on. I would really love to see it pull back to 50 here. Do 11445.
So buy limit at 11445.
Yes. And then target is 11700.
And what's a good stop loss for that?
That's a, let's see. I would personally put the stop loss at 1139.
Sorry, there was some noise. I didn't hear that part.
Yeah, I would probably put the stop loss at 11395. So 11,395.
Is there likely going to be a pullback, like you think, after it gets to that 11445 line?
I think it's going to show some pullback actually right now. That's why I'm thinking that buy limit.
What's the parameters on that again? On that?
Buy limit 11. What did we say, Angel? 445.
Yeah, 11445 is the
Okay.
buy limit you said,
Yeah.
and the TP was 11700,
Yes.
and the SL is 11395.
Correct. Yep. So actually, hold on. What is going on? Let's actually put that here. 11445.
You would get in this trade. How you pronounce your name?
Honest.
I'm sorry.
Oh no, you're good. Like honest without T. I don't know if that's easier.
Honest. What you get into the trade?
With the buy limit, I think it's gonna pull back some. I don't like entering it just right now because you see we also have some indecision at the moment. So I think this buy limit is better option.
What if it doesn't pull back all the way there?
In that case, then we wait to see if it's going to push through 11,580.
Then enter at 11,580.
Yeah, once you see the momentum keep pushing, then yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. We have a request for AUD NZD. Okay. I'm gonna assume that this was also strong buying pressure before I even look at it, but let's see. Yeah, all AUDs. Wow, this is the one. This is AU is mad rising. So this looks like it's going, well, it's almost at that next zone, like 13 pips away. But if it breaks that, then next zone is 30 pips higher. So this is what we have. Pretty sure it's going to reach this 1.09300. But with this volume that it's showing right now, it has potential to go to 1.0960, 600. I don't know if you were looking at the same on AUD NZD. You're welcome. Mr. Singh wants to see GBP CHF. Let's look at that. Wait, do we have it here? GU, GJ, GA. Okay. So. Ooh, that is dropping. Okay, let's remove everything. Oh yeah, this. Feel like it's Brexit again. Getting beaten up. Pretty bad. Okay, so we do have that key zone there.
Did Euro NZD activate? I didn't see that until just now.
Let's see. It did not. I don't think it is. Let me just double check. Where's the end here? It didn't yet. No, it's just trying to push straight from here.
You said it did or it didn't? I didn't catch that. I'm sorry.
It did not. It did not yet.
Thank you.
No problem. But yeah, seeing this will this looks like it's gonna fall another 100 pips. GBP CHF.
I'm thinking to sell it like now or after 15 minutes. Candle closer.
Yeah, so the only problem, so this is, I have to tell you honestly, right? Because I want you to do great. You find amazing trending setups, but like you always try to enter on the middle of the wave, right? When it already made a big move. So that's always very risky, right? Just because like your risk to reward is not good there. So yeah, do I think it will fall another 94 pips? Absolutely. But like if you were to look at your stop loss, right? Where can you put your stop loss has to be pretty much 100 pips if you enter this now. So what I would do personally, I would wait for this to break under 1.17300 and see if we get some small pullback to sell this, and then probably put the stop loss 40 pips, right?
Okay.
But we have to validate that this is now resistance on a smaller time frame that we can rely on. But I do definitely think it's going to fall another 95 pips.
So we can have a sell limit at 500 or 200.
Let's take a look at that. Because you see, a lot of times it got rejected from here as well. As you see here before, like right there, right there. So it's a good liquidity zone. So let's see. I would say 1.17450 and plus at 850, so 40 pips.
Pardon, please repeat.
What's that? Sorry.
Pardon. Please repeat.
Oh, so sell limit 1.17450.
Okay.
Stop loss 40 pips, 1.17850.
Okay.
Take profit 1.16250.
Okay. So this is the, these are the right trades we are in, like GJEN and this AC, if it works.
Yeah, we will see. Well, we hoping for it to does. Where's the safe buy for US 30? Yeah, don't ask me that. US 500. Well, I think you're referring to S&P. Wish I can tell you that. I would say some people already bought it, but I would say if it breaks 3,425, then you can buy it and give it like stop loss at 3,400 if you're trying to get on that.
Hey, Nas only went back to 114.55 and didn't even go to 45 and pulled that right back up.
Oh my God. So we literally missed it by what, 10 points?
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me. Oh, damn it. You're right. You are right. Yep. Wow.
I was gonna ask you in the middle of people talking like, hey, should I just hop in? And then I'm like, nah.
Wow. Yeah. Well, it's kind of frustrating. So it only did 38 to retrace. Well, let's see. I would still hold it, honestly. This buy limit.
And even if it pulls only back to 55, you think I could still enter if it does that again?
You could, if you want to have your stop loss 10 points higher or 10 points more.
Below, you mean? Or
Well,
oh, higher. Okay.
yeah, because you will enter 10 points earlier than what we are trying to.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, that's actually, wow. You really did that, 10 points.
If it doesn't come down to that, then just wait till it gets to 115.80, right?
Well, if this 30-minute candle closes like this, and next one shows again bullish momentum, I will just buy it right there and put the stop loss below this wick of the current candle.
All right.
Because it broke above the zone. You see, we already have one candle formed there, so this one will just be an attempt of a retrace. But if the body closes above, then I'm pretty sure we will see bullish bulls continue riding this up.
Yeah, it's only 2 minutes till 10, so I'm not sure if it's. It looks like it's just going to be red instead of bullish.
Well,
Is
which
it
is
still
fine.
safe to enter?
Yeah, but that is
Okay.
fine because that shows us that, like, you know, we try to make attempt to give a retrace,
Okay.
but it just retested and it's rejecting it. So that means that the buyers are in control.
Okay. Okay. So just go ahead and enter in about a minute.
Yeah, well, let's see when the new one opens in a 1 minute what it will do. Actually, Mayank, just let me see this. I'll check AUD for you.
All good.
Yeah, look at that. It's definitely rejecting that. One, two, three. Yeah, this structure is incomplete. Has to make one more push up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, definitely it needs to push up. And you see it's already kicking in. There you go. I knew it. See?
Should I just go ahead and enter now?
Yeah, I would. And put it below this wick right here.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that. I'm pretty sure
If it's below, where would be the stop loss? 114.50.
Yeah, 450. Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this should keep rising. Look at that. I knew it before it even opened.
Yeah.
Uh, it's just unfortunate because like we would be already up 80 points, 84. See, that boy's gonna push now.
Yeah.
All good though. Oh.
They're still. You think they're still gonna pull back though, or?
At this point, I'm not sure because like, see, this was indecisions and it just retested. So I honestly think it's just gonna keep rising. That's
How would
my-
I like trail my stop loss though? Like, where would I like move my stop loss when it reaches to like what point?
Good question. So once this 30-minute candle goes up, well, it's already looking nice, but if it closes a strong bullish body, put right below that.
Okay, cool. Appreciate it.
No problem. AUD-CHF, where's that? Right here. Oh, we didn't update this zone, Mayank. Like, come on, man. Like, why you don't remind me? I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding.
Probably the
Actually,
next time I would.
hold on. Actually, this is still valid demand zone. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, we were drawing on this a lot. Delete that. This is looking like it's going to turn into buy.
Yeah, I am waiting for it to break above 66,400 because that is where I have my hourly resistance. No, I have my hourly resistance at 32, like 66,320. Do you see it?
This is also looking like a flag. Yeah, this should go higher. It should again make attempt to this supply resistance area right there.
Okay, that should be like 885, right? 6685.
Yes, yes, yeah. Possibly higher. Like this zone goes up to 67,400.
Okay.
You see right here.
Yeah. That's a pretty big zone, isn't it?
35 pips, yeah. For
Okay.
this pair, this is big zone because this is not like very liquid pair. So yes, absolutely, it is for this pair.
Okay, how likely would you support this buy above 66,400? Stop loss. I'm looking at it at 1 hour time frame.
Yeah, look at this. This rejected nicely. I mean, I would definitely support. I wish we seen it earlier. That's what I really wish, because you see how here also what is forming now. If this current candle closes like this on a 4 hour, this is a morning star. So it's a strong bullish candlestick pattern reversal.
Wow.
And it's at the demand zone, so you have confluence, and it looks like it's a bullish triangle. So you have multiple confirmations that this will go back up.
Okay. So I'm gonna put a buy stop at 66,400.
Okay.
Probably I can share my setup.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you always guys are welcomed and encouraged to share any markups so we can discuss them. Absolutely.
Let me just prepare it.
Okay. Oh, come on. So you asked me and then you're going to prepare? Come on.
Yeah, I mean, I saw this candle, like the last hourly candle, really strong, and the wick is above the resistance.
Mm-hmm.
So I was thinking to get into the trade when it goes above 66,400.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So I mean, it's still under the resistance.
Yeah. I mean, this definitely looks like it's going to rise another 50 pips, possibly even 100. Like, you know, you never know, depending on the, you know, momentum and volume. So You know, that's what we watch on a smaller time frame to see what's we're seeing. Right now, it might be just small pullback, but my personal opinion is I think this will go up.
Okay, let me just mark it up very fast.
Yeah, take your time. No rush. No rush. What do we need to check on? Okay, GJ, finally, you're gonna stop playing games with us. Like, okay, we in that gold, beautiful, on the way to full TP. Beautiful. Pushed up. Well, we gotta keep checking. Yeah, the man, your NZD really gonna do us dirty. Like, I'm still holding this buy limit, guys. Like, it's gotta pull back some. It did here, but I'm holding this buy limit. What else we had? Like, we covered so much. Like, GJEN. Okay.
Like for
Singh, I honestly
it's like 40 people. So do you think it?
Sorry, could you repeat from the beginning because it didn't get your message through, like it was cutting you out.
I think I am saying that it's 40 pip up from our level, so I don't think it will boost to that level. As in premium, they have a buy limit, so I think they have just pop up a price in this price action limit alerts that they have hit 25 pips. So I think our buy limit is a bit low.
I mean, I'm still going to leave it here, and if it doesn't, if it just keeps rising, then it's fine. I'm not gonna chase it.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is the difference when you have a, let's say, discipline and you have a strategy and you follow the way you trade, right? Instead of looking like what 50 different people are trying to tell you, because it will confuse you and you will never have really confidence in your own trading if you know somebody else shows you like different outlook of what you were looking at, and especially when they try to argue with you and convince you that they are right and you are wrong. So if you are in like 50 different Telegram groups, I would probably suggest to really go through them and see what's the best for you and try to follow that, because that will confuse you a lot. Like that was also one of the biggest things for me. Like I was in so many groups when I started, and it was just making it more difficult rather than helping me.
No, it's in our K2 price action group.
So they had a buy already on it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Trades alert. It's in trades alert.
Ah, okay, I see. Yeah. Yeah, I see. Well, pretty much they have same setup except they already entered.
Yeah.
I mean, if you are already in it, that's awesome. So if you are in it, then yeah, it could just keep rising, and I'm okay. Let's see, buy stop. My uncle.
I mean, I prepared 2 entries. That's the second one, and there is another one which is a limit because it is retracing.
Oh, okay, I see. But why 2 different TPs?
Oh, that's not updated. I have had this updated, the first entry with a TP of My TP here is 66,827 for the first entry. This one exactly what you have open.
Okay.
Yep. That's below the daily resistance.
So yeah, you should actually target this take profit that you had on your first or
Yes.
what's your second.
Yes, exactly. This is the second one is the TP for both of the entries.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You should target this.
I mean, I like the first entry more because it has three, like 1:3 risk reward, which is a limit.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
I have to update the TP because you cannot see it right now. Just let me send you the right one.
Gotcha. Yeah. I mean, if you get in with this limit, that's probably better.
It is already activated now.
Okay. So let's see how it plays out.
Okay. Let's just wait now.
I just don't want you to doubt yourself, right? I'm
No,
not
I
here-
haven't.
Yeah, if I ever tell you like my opinion and it doesn't match as yours, that doesn't mean I'm trying to convince you that I'm right or you're wrong. It's just like we giving feedback each other, you know, for both of our benefits. Like that's how I see it. Not me ever trying to like think that you know I'm always right or any of that. So I think by limit would be better entry anyway.
I mean, I would normally when I enter a trade, I do it with, I mean, outside the resistance zone. Like my, if I would favorably want to choose between the two entries, I would do it at this buy stop
Oh, okay, got you. Yeah,
because that just gives me much more momentum, right?
yeah, yeah. That is true.
So I mean, I am kind of having risk. I mean, I don't know. I'm not really confident about this entry, the limit, because
Okay.
it can go much down to the support. And I mean, I put my stop loss also behind the second low, like the second low wick. If you
I
see,
see. Yeah, and that's perfect. That stop loss is perfect.
okay, all right. So I mean, it should work out. Let's
Yeah.
see. I mean, if I lose, let's say, how many? Yeah, it's 20 pips. Should not be much. Okay,
Yeah.
it's good.
Hey, Ines, if you look at NAS, can you tell me what's going on? It's just like fluctuating in that area right now for like a while.
Well, it's probably just showing some resistance because of this area right here to the left. Since we have some traffic in around there, but like the momentum should keep it rising. Honestly, you see, we have this level
Yeah.
here. That's another one that I was looking at. If it breaks that, then there's really not much in the way to 11,730. But like, I don't think this is personally. I'm not concerned about this
Okay.
because
So just hold.
I mean I would.
Okay. Yeah. As long as you would, I will too.
You should be in profit though, right?
Yeah, I'm in profit like maybe I think about 20, 25 points.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, this should keep putting pressure back to the upside.
Yeah, it's just fluctuating between the 20, 25 points. It went up like maybe 50, 35, 40 points and then started coming right back down. So I was wondering if there's going to be another pullback so I can probably just re-enter have another entry or something.
We can see it, but I honestly don't know if this will pull back. Like I think this
Okay.
will just keep rising.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anytime, Angel.
Oh, Anas had a question. Earlier Wade posted in his channel some news about the indices. And it didn't seem like the news was positive. I was wondering if that's going to affect our upward momentum for all the indices.
So it wasn't positive. So that update that they gave there was for the beginning of the day, right? Going through the Asian and through the London session. So that's why, you know, I shared that. So I'm glad you brought it up so that we can, you know, somebody will ask question, but you're the only one. Whenever you see that like flat day, right? When the financial analysts show that, and we only have one more session left of that day, right? Because I think you're on West Coast, so your daily candle closes at 2 p.m., right? And so since nothing was really going much on with USD and market here, and we had movement with Euro and GBP throughout the Asian and London, like I knew that during the New York session, we had to see some momentum going through the USD pairs and through those indices. And that's why I'm confident to see this. You have to understand their job is not to come and tell you exactly what is happening. Like that's not what they are paid for. They put a lot of their own bias into those reports as well.
Okay. So as far as you know, our upward momentum should still be good because this is like considered old news.
Well, yeah, that's kind of what they did. They gave summary of what was happening throughout the sessions up to that point when that came out. But like it's already New York, and you see this is pushing as well.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I used to get faked out by the news too, but then I was like, man, I should really understand this because like I majored in accounting and all that. Yeah, it's not exactly finance, but like, you know, you can kind of see what is like what they're trying to do with it and how they're trying to fake people out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay.
And another you know, we're going back to, you know, you don't just rely on the news exactly unless it's something major like economical report.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Good, Mayank. Yeah, hopefully it will work out. I know Angel is now probably having less blood pressure with Nas.
Yeah, definitely. I feel much better.
All good. Where's your ADCH? I think it's this one. Yeah, it's a nice pullback. Let's see. Hello, there we go. Yeah, pulled to 50. Where was your buy limit? 196. Okay, so yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
So it's at your entry.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, my entry was a little bit upper. Yeah, 96. Yeah, almost same.
Yeah, I mean exactly where it's now. So it's at your entry.
Exactly.
Awesome. Yeah, and then you see the third extension. At least that should be reached today. But again, you remember AUD, and we are in New York session, so that's
Should
the
be slow.
only. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it was actually moving pretty nice for AUD, especially AUD JPY that we looked at earlier. Where is it?
EJ.
No, I think it was AJ that we looked at. It had amazing volume. Where is it? AUD. I squeeze this too much, and sometimes I can't tell what is what. Yeah, right here. Squeeze this back. Like you see, this was a decent volume going out of London into New York, but again, you see the zone, and it's already rejecting it. So it
Anas, can you have a look at GBP CHF again? I forgot to take a screenshot.
Yes, no problem. Give me 1 second. But yeah, this might pull back down to 530.
That's where I put my TP and I got stopped out like 600. Yeah.
So it did reach your profit, right?
601. Yeah, exactly. 601 was my TP.
Awesome. Yeah, man, this is just pushing down, man. GBP is getting hammered. Damn, and I haven't found any like fundamentals that like go in with this. Like same like last year, September, man. When like look at this. It's crazy. Wow. Not even a pullback. Look at this daily, man. This just it's insane. Not even a pullback on the daily at all. 1, 2, 3, 4 days straight.
I mean, I prepared a setup for an entry at around like, I don't know, let me see. But it did never activate. It went through the support.
Yeah, 350 pips. Yeah, big beat down on a pound. I mean, looking at this momentum like this can really fall another 300 pips. Like this is crazy, man.
Wow.
Like look at the daily. Oh, we are on the daily now. Like that's mad momentum, man. It's mad. Well, I'm not chasing it, so.
I mean,
Sorry, well, go ahead.
I was expecting it to just reverse from the support or daily support, which I have not updated. So yesterday it was, and I prepared a setup to buy this pair at 1.19200.
What level again?
1.19200.
Oh yeah, that broke. That was right here. But look at this zone. Like this zone was strong. Like the one that I have marked here. And just look at this. Like it's just like it's not there. Yeah, like it's not there at all.
It's crazy.
Like it's really bad. I gotta research a little bit. I didn't actually see anything like really negative out of UK as far as news and stuff, but like this is just crazy.
But there are also some upcoming news, like on 12th. No, what date is it?
Well, I think they're gonna have to start a new let's say you can tell negotiations with EU for that Brexit and stuff. So I think the new deadline is I think it was October 30th, if I'm right. I have to double check again. But yeah, man, this is just gonna keep going down. Like no pullback at all. EN might not pull back, but I'm still. Let's see. Yeah, this is gone. Yeah, we're gonna cancel this buy limit. It just went straight up. If it gives pullback from here, then yeah, I'm gonna set the alert around here. If it pulls back. But like, yeah, we'll cancel Euro NZD. Let me update that.
Hey, and Nas just pulled back like a lot.
Let me check. 1 second. And it's struggling to go through that zone. What we are now 10:26 New York time. I mean, still has an hour and 24 minutes to make that move. If you are in profit, I would probably put stop loss at entry, and we can wait, see if we get a better pullback. And that way you can avoid the possible drawdown that you might be in, and see if we actually.
Yeah, I think I just got out.
Okay, that's fine. It would be better if we get this pullback, which we honestly could get because we didn't really retest this structure that it broke through properly.
Yeah, because I had just entered in that area where you said put a move stop loss at entry, and that's why I just closed it right there because I hadn't moved my stop loss, so it was at entry right now as we were speaking.
That's fine, yeah. So that's okay. Let's see if we get this pullback and we get better entry. So that would be even better.
Yeah, for sure. So what would you call this candle here? Is it still bullish or is it in the middle?
It's still bullish, but in my close as inverted hammer. So that's showing that it's the buyers are struggling a little bit.
Mm-hmm. At 8:30, there was USD news. So is that affecting the USD pairs only, or also the US stocks?
Let's see, what is it? Final wholesale inventories, natural gas. Nothing really major. Nothing really major. The one that can really affect, but it would be just for the oil, is the oil inventories.
Okay. And what about the USD one that passed already at 7:30? That only affected the USD pairs, right?
Well, that really shouldn't. Yeah, it should be pairs, but it shouldn't really had any impact. It's related to the inventories for the wholesalers.
No, I mean
So,
the above one, the core PPI, like around 7:30.
oh, this one. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, this could have. Well, yeah, that was already done, but like 2 out of 3 are pretty positive. So if anything, it should be like overall like a neutral effect. Yeah, I don't think this will affect indices.
So you're saying if it is a hammer like candle at the end at 10:30, that means that there's a chance that it'll pull back?
Yeah, it could pull back because buyers are not yet that strong to just push it up because it pulled back quite a bit.
Okay. Yeah, it's good to understand it when talking it through with you.
Like I always get the late entry. This GC just went too down, like 60 pips. Just no, it's
GJ playing nice, so we're gonna put. Yeah, I mean, don't chase it. I wouldn't chase it. Let's update this.
Anas, can we put SL at entry of GJ?
Yes, that's what I was about to update now. Yep. think Sean just called sell on US 30. I don't know about that one. Yeah. Okay, so
You're saying that seems right? Like US 30 might be dropping?
I'm honestly not favoring that drop, to be honest. I know he called the sell,
Yeah.
but I'm not convinced of that. He called sell off of 130-minute bearish candle. Like, let me look at that.
Now Nas is pushing up. It's crazy. Like it's not even
Yeah.
going
I mean,
down at all.
I honestly think they're gonna keep rising. But this might give a little more pullback, but for sell, I don't think they are going to sell.
Anas, do you think I should tighten my stop loss for S&P 500, or do you think it's okay at what you said earlier?
Where did you enter again?
Around 420.
420. Okay, so you're pretty much at entry now.
Yeah, it's been kind of just hovering there a little bit up and down.
Yeah, honestly, where you have stop loss now?
You mentioned 3,400, and then take profit 34.44.
Okay, so put it at 34.10. So yeah, tighten it just because it's kind of playing around, but I think it should keep pushing up.
Okay, thank
still.
you.
Hey, Anas,
Yeah, I'm listening.
do you trade exotics?
Rarely, very rarely. If I do, that's usually USD Lira, so USD TRY.
Yeah, I know.
And USD MXN peso.
Yeah, look at the peso right now. It's just tanking like crazy. Like it's dropping very bad. It has dropped already. It has made a huge drop.
Yeah, but dollar weak, so it's probably going to be dropping for a minute. Wait,
would it be a good idea to get into that trade, the USD peso?
I would have to see it. Let's see. Oh yeah, oh, this looks like it's going to massively drop. Hold on.
How do you say that?
Well, because look at the structure. It broke this previous low. Look, there's nothing in the way here.
Wow.
There's nothing in the way here.
Wow.
Until here.
So there is basically the support is quite far away from this position right now.
Yeah, absolutely.
So it can just free fall.
That's how it looks like, to be honest, because that's how they move. They are wild. Oh damn! Wait, that cannot be 5,000. That's 500 pips, right?
Wow.
5,000 pips. That's pretty good.
That's massive.
But I forgot how the TradingView measures pips on the exotics here. Is that 540 or 5,004?
I think it's 547 probably.
Yeah, but yeah, it honestly looks like it's just gonna drop here. Like there's nothing in the way until this level at 26.68.
Okay, that's a good one.
Hold on.
I mean, I prepared a setup quite like on 24th July. I never entered that. I only wanted to see how a long-term swing works, and it hit the full take profit at 21.26800.
Okay. Yeah, this looks like Niagara waterfalls.
Oh, Anas, could you tell us what would be a good take profit for that trade?
20.68600.
Don't do it like that, Kevin.
Huh?
Okay. And our stop loss should be.
You're welcome, Pipes. You're welcome. Stop loss. Now that we have to look at. I'll probably put it above this 4-hour structure right here.
Okay.
For right now, and then as we make a new lower low, you know, then you pull it down.
Okay.
Wow.
But yeah, this actually looks like it's gonna be a massive sell.
So maybe 21,500.
Hold on. 21,447. Yeah, 21,47000.
So if we make a fib retracement on this chart at 4-hour from this move.
So yeah, even if this retraces to 61.8, like, but I don't know, this actually, this looks like it's just gonna fall, man. But I would personally, but this is the thing, I already broke this structure. It might not even pull back. Yeah, so I'll give you guys this trade. I'm just gonna give you guys because you are on here and you asked for this to look. I know a lot of people will be mad, but like you guys take time out of your day to show up, so
we have earned it.
yeah.
I earned it. I don't know about anybody else, but I earned it.
Oh come on! I mentioned this.
You have. That's why we just
This is my trade, everybody. No one else getting except for me.
Come on, bro. We can share it like 50-50. Half the tips you can take.
You take the spread. I'll take the.
Yeah, good one.
The crazy Mexican peso spread. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. That boy told you you're selfish. Okay, so let's pose two different scenarios. Like ideally, if we can get some pullback and then have the entry, let's say right here at 50, and then stop loss is obviously way less. So this is scenario 1 for the sell limit.
Okay.
How do I delete fibs? So we get that pullback and then we enter there. So that is scenario 1. I'm giving you this. Hold on, no. The TP is further down. Okay. So I'm giving you this, guys, in the Zoom chat. So that is scenario 1, right? Scenario 2 is that it just keeps dropping from here. And then we have to increase the stop loss. So if you have, let's say, a position that you can split in 2, enter the half lot right now, and then if it pulls back to that first sell limit, then enter it again, because I think this will be huge sell.
Okay. Also, this pair has a pretty big spread.
That's exotic, yeah. That's why I don't usually trade them often, but this one looks like it's really good.
Yeah, I mean, it has right now like 600 pips. 60 pips probably, yeah.
Oh, 60, yeah. I was about to say, there's no way.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry that.
Let me see if, with my broker. I mean, it's gotta be big. It's exotic. So let's see. USD MX.
Was this a market execution?
One market execution and one would be a sell limit if it pulls back there. But split the lot if you're trading at, let's say, 0.10 to 0.05, and then second one if it pulls up 0.05. Otherwise, if it just starts dropping, you can probably add one position once you're a nice profit along with that momentum.
So the sell limit was 21.39552.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Where's my okay? Oh yeah, even my spread is 63, and let me see on LMFX.
Yeah, I have the same spread as you, Anis. It's 63.
Okay, gotcha. Wait. Wait, are you kidding me? Well, LMFX doesn't have USDMXN, but it has all other exotics.
Wow.
Wait, hold on.
There should be.
Yeah, with the Hugo's, it's 63. I was trying to see if my on my LMFX is smaller, so I can enter there. Wow, it actually doesn't have dollar peso. That's crazy. It has even Romanian and Polish and Swedish and Czech and Chinese and Danish and Hungarian. It doesn't have peso.
Is there less manipulation with the exotics?
I would say yes, but it's a lot different structure, right? It's a lot of like it tend to like it will make a wild move and then it will consolidate or go sideways or just have like just the nature of it with the high spread. Like you see how the structure is, like it will have wild zigzag moves and stuff. Not really like technical higher highs and higher lows. So you know, they're good to trade. Don't get me wrong. Like once they pick the direction, like it's wild. But like you see, like weeks like this, they are insane. It's not like we don't see that on the gold nowadays too. But like I said, you guys can pick just exotics and study them. You can make a lot of money on exotic pairs, a lot of them. I know people who just literally trade exotics. Well, I know two guys, and they've been doing really well. But they actually scalp it, right? Me, I don't scalp, so I'm not into that. I usually try to either intraday trade or swing trade. But as far as the exotics, I would suggest try to identify swing trade opportunities. Like this would be a swing trade. That's why I like it, and glad you mentioned it. Is DJ done playing games? It is. Let's go. Beautiful. And Ian, pulling back, pulling back. Might be getting into this because this move to the upside is not complete. So this is the difference. I know some of you are subscribed to K2 and you practice that strategy, but this is now like one example of the difference between K2 and pure price action, right? So on the pullback, like you were already in, right? And on the pullback, while it's pulling back for the price action for us to enter, you will probably get out of this trade using K2 exit strategy, right? And we will get opportunity to get in and ride the full wave, right? Instead of waiting for the new buy signal to fire. So that's the difference between those strategies. You said NAS is pulling.
Yeah, is it good to re-enter?
Oh, wait, did it literally came 3 points from the buy limit?
Yeah.
I got kicked out of SPX 500.
Okay, so they are pulling. So this could be buy limit. Well,
So
literally, no, it actually came to 4-5, right? Yeah. Hold on, do I have numbers wrong here? I have 442. That's why. Should be 445 here. And this was 395.
And should we re-enter for the buy or?
Wait for this candle to close.
Okay.
Because we want to see the rejection. But see, that was perfect buy limit. Exactly went there. See, that's why.
But if we had,
huh?
sorry,
Go ahead.
if we had the buy limit, then it would have activated, and we wouldn't. And you're saying we should wait for the 30-minute candle. So in that case, what do we do? You know, like if it activated and it ended up just going down.
Well,
we just hit stop loss.
If you are in it right now, if I was in it, I forgot to place buy limit myself too. I would just stay in it, me personally. But since you are not in it, if you want to place that buy limit, you could. Or let's just wait for this candle to close and then we can see the momentum because it might just retest this zone here.
And are we waiting for that candle to close above 11472 as a blue bullish candle, or it doesn't matter about the color, it just needs to be above?
As long as it's as long as it the body of the candle closes above 11445.
11445. Okay.
Yeah, 11445.
Yeah, I think a US 30 hit TP1 already and it's going to TP2. That's probably why he sent that, because I noticed that it moves very similar to NAS and SPX.
Well, yeah, they kind of should move the same direction, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah, they should. They should.
Yeah, we have 10 minutes to the candle close.
It's 50 pips down.
Yeah. Let's see. Might even test this here. Well, I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna probably go in with the market entry. Yeah, it hasn't closed. You see, it's trying to push. Another possibility is it can retest this level here, 11,370, and then go up to this area. That's why I'm just waiting. I'm watching it right now. But yeah, seeing GJ's doing well, so let it ride. And we might get re-entry in gold here. Pulling back. So $5.0. And we target that.
So, Anis, do you think I should place? Is it right to place the limit for gold at like
Yeah.
54?
At 1950, yes. EN pulling back. So let's see if we can get into that. Hold on, where are you at? Okay. Okay. See. All right, well, let's go with EN again. Just give me a second. I have to give 2 trades, guys, and we'll keep going. $7,600. Delete. Here. This one, delete. Okay, and the gold. There we go. Those 2. Yeah, GJ is playing well, so that's good. Oh, GJ's going for the win. All right, guys, give me a 5-minute short break. I'm just gonna run to restroom and let's see how those 30-minute candle closes, and if we can get something going with those indices. But,
Yes, sir.
and I'll be right back. See, it's rejecting there, so it's a good sign. All right, give me 5 minutes, guys. I'll be right back.
Take your time, sir.
Are you guys in USDMXN?
Yeah, I just got in. Like I had a market execution and the other trade is a limit. I mean, this market execution is already in profit.
That's good. Yeah, I put a limit in. I wasn't sure about the market execution.
I did it because we were discussing and he said like 2 scenarios. So I was confident because I have been watching it for a while. And like he said that it has no, like it has gone below the support and there is no next level for support. So definitely it's going to go further down.
So it probably has no reason to pull back either, huh?
No. I mean, look at the chart. Do you have the chart?
Yeah.
I mean, look at it on a daily scale. Like there is no, like it came to this level like 18.38. That was the last support and it reflected way up. Like it jumped crazily. Like in 4 days, 5 days, it went from 18.5 to 25 almost. That's
and there's a big gap.
Yeah.
That it needs to fill. Yeah.
Exactly. So that's what he said. It's gonna probably fall down because there was no support, or I see a little support there, and that could be at level 19.92 probably. If you see, there are 2 candles.
What's your TP though? Isn't it 738280? 207380?
Hang on. Yeah, that's what he said, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I made a wrong markup then because I went totally down to this support level of 18. But I think it should be above 20. It should be around 20, the TP.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, there is no support in between. So let's see how it turns out to be.
Yeah, I also did a market execution earlier, and my TP is 20.686. Stop loss is 21.47. So
what's your TP again?
20.686.
Yeah, that's what I saw on the screen.
Okay. Yeah, I rushed and I think I missed some detail there.
Yeah, but right now I'm still in drawdown because of the spread. I think it's really huge.
Yeah, exactly. So let's just put my 69056, right?
TP is 20.686 for me, and stop loss is 21.47.
Okay. All right.
You guys think it's too late to enter now as a market execution?
No, you can do it as close to the entry.
Yeah, it's supposed to just free fall anyway, so yeah, there'll be some pullbacks, but as long as we stay in it long enough, we should be okay. Hopefully, but obviously our indices didn't work out. I was like, damn.
Nas is playing. US 30 hit full TP.
Crazy playing out.
Mayank bhai, AUD CHF.
I'm still drawdown. It's at 66,150. So I'm like 0.5, like 5 pips down.
No, 10 pips. My spread.
Yeah. I mean, it should go up. Also, like he said that there is this evening star. And I'm hoping it will go up. I mean, even if it goes to the stop loss, it's not that much. I mean, 30 pips, okay. 20 pips, sorry.
And what happened to GJ is flowing down.
GJ is pretty good. It is gonna hit our TP. Thanks to Anis.
All right, I'm back, guys.
Look at GJ, Anis. Your call is amazing.
Oh, it's dropping? Oh, yeah, nice.
We are almost there.
Indices are pulling strong. Come on, Ian. Let's pull back. How is your AUD CHF?
I'm still in the drawdown, like 4 pips.
It's a nice rejection. This should go up, honestly.
I'm hoping for this. I mean, that's what we were discussing. I mean, even if it goes to stop loss, it's not a lot of pips, you know. It's just 20 pips, and it's gonna be fine.
No, this should really go up. I'm interested to buy this too. I'm actually going to buy this. We'll send this straight too.
Would be
And
nice.
as this, you know, like GJ, sorry, yeah. This. It's like, oh, pretty much.
Okay. Let's see where we're gonna enter this. Right here. Okay, well, this is gonna be only 16 pip stop loss. I'm willing to take this.
I mean, it looks pretty nice. Also, this evening star that you mentioned. Also, if you see it on a daily time frame, there is the second last wick, which has, just look at it on a daily scale, daily time frame.
Daily? Let's look
Yes. Look at this wick.
The one on the top, or?
Yes, exactly where you were.
Yeah, right here.
So it has to be also filled sometime.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, I'm definitely willing to take this even. 65,950. I might give it 5 more pips.
Let me see what your stop loss is. So 6,600. And that is okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cool. It's fine. Stop loss.
Yeah, it's a strong demand zone here, so I'm definitely okay with this trade. I'm not gonna even look at it. Just placed it. GJ. See if this pulls back from here to here. Give update for that.
Hey, Ines, after you're done, can we look at NAS? I think it's coming back to entry.
Yes, give me 1 second.
Yeah, take.
That. Gold is not pulling back enough. You said NAS, right? Yeah, see, that was that second scenario. Remember, like I was looking to reject this area. Yeah, it gives stronger pullback. Let's move that. Yeah, 70.5. So at least we should go up to 11,650.
So should we buy now or do we still wait?
I would wait. Good that you closed in time. I would probably put buy stop at 11,480.
Okay. And do we wait for this candle to close bullish, like above 11,480 for us to enter, or just put the buy stop now is what you're saying? Like go
I
ahead
would
and just
I would put the buy stop now. Actually, 11,475. So this is what I would do. Let's remove that.
NTP still 11700.
Yeah. And this is what I would do. And probably put the stop loss right here at 11,400. Yeah, this is what I would do.
Okay. Thank you. Are you gonna get in this trade?
Yes, I am.
AUD chef is pushing.
Yeah, if this starts pushing back up, it will go up. I don't think it's gonna come further down. Yeah, this baby needs to go up. So I'm not even worrying about that. I'll just let it be as it is. Come on, gold, just pull back down. Like I know it's going to 11,970 to 1970. But so many Telegram messages. For the NAS, if it starts pushing up, we are looking to do buy stop. I'll give you guys this also just for you that you are on here.
NS, should I take this USD MXN trade as my spread is like it's showing 1,000, but the thing
That's 100 pips. That's a little bit too much. You have to make that decision,
no
honest.
it's not 100 pip, it's like 40 pips.
40, okay.
Four pips.
Okay, this is a chart for you guys. I'm gonna put it here in Zoom. Where is USDMXN here? Yeah, that's already in profit. Yeah, that should start pushing down.
It didn't trigger my this sell limit. Should I sell now? I think it's like
Yeah, so the one was entry by market sell. Second one was sell limit.
can I sell now?
You can, yeah. I gave you I gave you the two charts. If you go back 32 minutes,
Trade
it's in the
trade
chat.
is trade is disabled.
Why is that?
Don't know.
Oh, that would be something with your broker then.
Anas, do you think there's enough volume for the NAS signal you just posted to execute completely today?
We have to see. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I'm gonna leave it, but like I like this volume currently that is coming back up.
Yeah. So when the NAS trade, when it retraced, did it actually hit one of the fib levels?
This retrace, yeah, I think it was 70.5. Let's see. Yeah, 70.5.
Okay.
So when that happens, we should see at least first fib extension, which is 11,650.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, can you repeat that, Enos? What do you mean by that? Like, if it hits that, it should hit the other one. Like,
Yeah. So if you watch the fib video that I showed there, once it's a little bit stronger pullback, to be more conservative, it should at least look to take profit around the first fib extension to the upside. But like I know that we have this zone here that it's most likely going to reach. That's why I still have 11,730.
Mm-hmm. And also, if price went all the way past all the fib extensions, then that's how we know that it's invalid.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So this upward trend is still valid because it retraced. And it stopped.
Yeah, absolutely. Because this retrace just tested this structure to the left.
Yeah.
And it rejected at the moment. So that's a good sign.
Okay. It's time for me to go to work. So hope you guys all have a good day. Thank you.
Okay, you too as well. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
We'll probably be wrapping it up soon, and it's all recorded as well. So here's your AD. Really want this to fall down to the daily zone so it can be a swing buy. Okay. Oh, he's selling. This person, they're actually selling. I don't know about that. Their zone is not the best. Anyway. Okay. Do we guys have any more questions? If not, we can wrap it up. I do have some things to go take care of. But if you guys have more questions, we can go ahead and answer those.
Hey, thanks. So I have my buy stop in for Naz, but I appreciate your time.
Oh, no problem. You're very welcome. All right, well, if no more questions, again, glad to see you guys joining, you know, putting in the work. Trust me, it's going to just get better. You know, unfortunately, there's no shortcuts to this. Like, you know, you know, been following me for a little while, you know, I'm doing this for over 4 years, and I'm still studying daily, backtesting and learning more. It's always like continuous improvements in this industry, especially with, you know, all the things going in the world as far as the, you know, fundamentals. So there's always opportunities to adapt, explore, and add on to the knowledge. And yeah. Um, Okay, so I will post recording for those who not able to be on here. I know some people are working. So yeah. And we'll see for tomorrow. I'm really going to try hard to do London, because I think New York is not going to be so good tomorrow, just because it's end of the week. And you know, I tend to have awkward moments. So London would be better option for sure. I just have to make sure I set alarm on my clock instead of my phone, because my phone actually didn't went off this morning. Okay, so I'll see you guys hopefully for London tonight.